Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly feeling the weight of financial stress? What if I told you there's a simple action you can take that could potentially change your financial future forever? Picture this. May 10th approaches, and you're presented with an opportunity to declutter your space while simultaneously inviting prosperity into your life. Bob Proctor's Goodbye Poverty method unveils a powerful secret. Remove specific objects from your home before this date and watch as abundance flows into your life. It's not just about tidying up. It's about releasing energetic blocks and making room for wealth to manifest. Join me as we delve into this intriguing concept and uncover the hidden treasures lurking within your own home. The first step towards transforming your living space into a magnet for abundance and prosperity begins with removing visuals that depict sadness, lack, struggle, or poverty. These visuals encompass a wide range of objects found within your home, including images, photos, artwork, and even entertainment media such as movies or shows. Start by conducting a thorough assessment of your living environment. Take a moment to observe the images and objects surrounding you and consider how they make you feel. Do you have family photos that evoke feelings of sadness or hardship? Are there paintings or artwork that portray scenes of struggle or poverty? Are you regularly consuming media that reinforces limiting beliefs about wealth and success? Once you've identified these visual triggers, it's time to take action. Begin by removing these objects from your living space. This might involve taking down photos, storing away artwork, or even unsubscribing from or avoiding media that perpetuates negative narratives about abundance. As you clear away these visual reminders of lack and limitation, you create space for more positive and uplifting energies to flow into your home. Consider replacing the removed items with visuals that inspire joy, gratitude, and optimism. Choose artwork that celebrates nature's beauty, photographs that capture moments of happiness and success, or symbols that represent abundance and prosperity. By taking this first step to remove negative visuals from your living environment, you set the stage for a profound transformation in your mindset and energy. As you create a space filled with positivity and inspiration, you open yourself up to the abundance that is waiting to flow into your life. As the second step in your journey towards cultivating abundance and prosperity in your life, it's crucial to address the condition of your clothes and accessories. Ripped, stained, or severely worn-out garments and shoes not only detract from your overall appearance, but also convey a subtle yet powerful message about your self-worth and how you perceive yourself. These items act as visual cues not just to others, but also to yourself, reflecting how much value you place on your own well-being and presentation. When you wear or carry items that are in a state of disrepair, you inadvertently communicate a message of unworthiness, signaling that you may not believe you deserve better. By recognizing this dynamic, you can take proactive steps to elevate your self-image and attract more abundance into your life. Start by conducting a thorough assessment of your wardrobe, identifying any items that are in poor condition. This may include garments with visible signs of wear and tear, such as holes, stains, or frayed edges, as well as shoes that have seen better days. Once you've identified these items, it's time to take decisive action. Remove them from your wardrobe and make space for clothing and accessories that reflect self-respect and value. Consider investing in quality pieces that are well-maintained and make you feel confident and empowered when you wear them. This shift in your wardrobe not only enhances your outward appearance, but also has a profound impact on your internal dialogue and mindset. When you dress in clothing that is clean, well-fitting, and in good condition, you reinforce a positive self-image and mindset, sending a clear message to yourself and the universe that you are worthy of abundance and prosperity. By taking this second step to address the condition of your clothes and accessories, you set the stage for a deeper transformation in your life, one that aligns your external presentation with your internal beliefs and desires for abundance. Sorry for the interruption, but here's a game changer. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Now, let's get back into the video. As the third step in your journey towards cultivating abundance and prosperity, it's important to address the presence of damaged mirrors in your living space. Mirrors that are cracked, shattered, or distorted can symbolize a broken perception of self-worth and hinder your ability to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Start by identifying any damaged mirrors within your home. These may be located in bathrooms, bedrooms, or other areas where you frequently encounter your reflection. Take note of how these mirrors make you feel and the subtle messages they may be reinforcing about your self-image and potential for success. Once you've identified the damaged mirrors, take decisive action to replace them with new ones that reflect your best self and highest aspirations. Choose mirrors that are whole, clear, and aesthetically pleasing, and consider placing them in strategic locations within your home. Installing new mirrors in wealth-attracting spots, such as the entrance, living room, or near the front door, can further enhance their positive impact. These areas serve as energetic gateways for abundance and prosperity, and placing mirrors in these locations can amplify their ability to reflect positive energy into your life. As you replace damaged mirrors with ones that reflect your true essence and potential, you initiate a powerful shift in your mindset and energy. By surrounding yourself with clear and empowering reflections, you create an environment that supports feelings of worthiness, confidence, and abundance. This proactive step of addressing damaged mirrors is essential in removing energetic barriers to prosperity and opening yourself up to the flow of abundance. As you gaze into these new mirrors, may you be reminded of your inherent value and limitless potential to manifest your deepest desires. As the fourth step in your quest to foster an environment of abundance and prosperity, it's time to confront any sentimental items in your home that carry negative emotional baggage. These items, such as gifts, heirlooms, or mementos connected to past relationships or adverse experiences, can act as energetic anchors, weighing you down and impeding your progress towards manifesting your desires. Begin by taking inventory of these sentimental objects scattered throughout your living space. They may be tucked away in closets, displayed on shelves, or stored in boxes, yet their emotional significance lingers, subtly influencing your thoughts and emotions. Once you've identified these items, it's essential to acknowledge the emotional attachments they hold and the impact they have on your energy and mindset. While these objects may hold sentimental value, clinging to them can prevent you from fully embracing new opportunities and experiences. To release the emotional ties associated with these items, consider performing closure rituals. This could involve expressing gratitude for the memories they represent while affirming your readiness to let go and move forward. You might write a letter to yourself or to the person or experience connected to the item, expressing your feelings and intentions for closure. As you release these sentimental items with love and gratitude, you create space for new opportunities, experiences, and blessings to enter your life. By freeing yourself from the emotional baggage of the past, you open yourself up to the abundance and prosperity that await you in the present moment. Remember, letting go of sentimental items does not diminish the memories or experiences they represent. Instead, it allows you to honor the past while embracing the possibilities of the future. With each item released, you take a significant step towards creating a home environment that supports your journey towards greater abundance and fulfillment. As the fifth step in your quest to cultivate abundance and prosperity, it's time to tackle the issue of clutter and disorganization within your living space. Clutter not only detracts from the aesthetics of your home, but also disrupts the flow of energy, creating barriers to the manifestation of your desires. Begin by conducting a thorough assessment of every room, surface, and storage space in your home. Identify areas that have become cluttered with items that no longer serve a purpose or bring you joy. This could include old magazines, duplicate items, expired products, or belongings that have been neglected or forgotten. Once you've identified the clutter, it's time to take decisive action. Begin by systematically clearing clutter from each area of your home, starting with the most heavily cluttered spaces and working your way through to the least cluttered. As you remove unnecessary items, consider donating or recycling them to minimize waste and create space for new energy to flow in. Next, organize your belongings in a way that promotes clarity, efficiency, and ease of access. Invest in storage solutions such as bins, baskets, shelving units, and organizers to help keep items neatly contained and easily accessible. Create designated spaces for each category of belongings, ensuring that everything has a designated home. As you clear clutter and organize your living space, you create open, unburdened spaces that allow energy and prosperity to flow freely. By removing physical barriers to abundance, you create a welcoming environment that supports the manifestation of your desires. Maintain your organized living space by incorporating daily habits and routines that promote tidiness and cleanliness. Set aside time each day to tidy up surfaces, put away belongings, and clear clutter as it accumulates. By staying proactive about managing clutter, you can ensure that your home remains a sanctuary of abundance and prosperity. Congratulations on taking the first step towards transforming your life and inviting abundance into your home. Now that you've learned about Bob Proctor's Goodbye Poverty Method, it's time to put it into action and watch as prosperity unfolds before your eyes. If you found this video insightful and empowering, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can spread the message of abundance and help others break free from the cycle of financial struggle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing tips and techniques to manifest your dreams and live a life of abundance. And remember, the journey to prosperity starts with a single step. Thank you for watching, and may your life be filled with limitless abundance and prosperity. See you in the next video.